Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. We're working on our winter solstice soaps, and while I'm not recording all of them for you. I am going to record this one because I didn't record it last year. This is inspired by the song In the Air Tonight by Phil Collins, and I just realized I don't have my fragrance measured out, but we'll move on from there. Our solstice recipe is made in our Hawthorne recipe, so this has got my heavy cream and my yogurt in it already, and my lye water has my distilled water, sodium hydroxide, salt, and sugar. So let me measure that fragrance out really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. It's scented in I believe it's a Yankee dupe, Alpine sheer. That is what it is scented in. So let me pour my lye water in here. And we'll get it to just about emulsification. Well, we'll get it to emulsification. I've been stick blending my colors in as of late, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay. Let me clean this off. I really, really love this fragrance. I make candles with it too, and it's just a great winter Christmassy kind of scent, and it matches the song beautifully. And I am going to stick blend my colors. I'm going to use sterling silver. It's going to be my accent, with some French white French white shimmer mica that I do with a mica drizzle. And then the rest of it is going to be evergreen. It's a very simple soap. I like that it's a simple soap. And it has not changed from the very beginning since we've started making it. Okay, so let me mix my sterling silver first, and I'm gonna, oh no, I did, look how high, I brought spoons out for myself, y'all. Look at that. Oh well, I think that's the end of my sterling silver. It's a good thing I just bought some. That was great. Okay, let me mix this up. I think Judy's not as tall as Simon. Maybe it's just because the base is different. Alright, there's our sterling silver. Get my evergreen. I have my fan on, so I'm trying to stand in the way of my fan. And I like this to be very pigmented. Okay. Let's get this mixed in. Okay. I always need to do that first. I always got to remember that, to like scrape it from the actual top. I need to make sure I mix these really good, because I see a little bit of mica there. Mix them really good. Okay. I remember the first time I ever heard this song, I was mesmerized by it. If you don't know, everybody knows this song. I mean, even if you didn't listen to, if you don't listen to a lot of music, I mean, this has been played in movies and in TV shows and all that kind of stuff. So, alright, let me get my fragrance in here. Put most of it in there and a little bit in here. Is that ricing? It is. It is ricing. I don't remember this ricing. It is. It's racing. All right, stick blender. I don't remember this racing. Like, really, I don't remember it racing last year. Batch book's good. Batch book. You know, I always say I'm not going to forget to look at my batch book. But like I said, you know, I'm switching over to that soap maker like throughout the year, and you know, I haven't made these soaps since last year. So, and I'm not sure which volume batch book this one was in, so I didn't look it up. Okay, let's get these in here. Oh, actually, I'm going to do it in the mold. Let's get Judy out of here, because we're going to have to do this quite quickly. Move over. Bring you guys in. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, here we go. I'm probably going to need a chopstick for this. Okay, and my gray, and my gray, and then I take this, actually, you know what? I think I remember using my hanger with this last year. I think I do remember that. And I need to save a little bit of green. Whoa. Let me stir this gray up, because a little bit of it is going to stay on the top here. Get the rest of this out. I have a little bit too much gray. Yeah, I'm going to run my hanger through it. Let me see. Oh, they're pretty even. That's pretty good. Pretty good there, Solon. Okay, I'm going to run my hanger through it, because there's going to be green on the top. I sort of pile it on there. Oh. There you go. Now you can see that mica. Woo. Oh, I'm about to say goodnight to one of the babies. I am covered in soap, so it's going to take a second. I gotta get myself uncovered in soap so I can give good night kisses. Alright, I'm going to let this sit for a second. Let me alcohol it. Okay. Get the rest of this green on the top of this. And then I'm going to take a commercial break before my next two soaps. Okay. Oh, I love the way this smells. I know you guys are going, stop scraping already. Sorry, these big things are a challenge for me. Still getting used to them, even after all the batches I've made in them. Because trust me, I've made a lot more than y'all have seen. Excuse me, sorry. Okay. Yeah, this isn't set up enough for me to do what I want to do with it, but I can get it to the corners and to the edges for the most part. And And then I can go through and do what I want to do. It's just a little bit of texturing on the top. No big deal. But it needs to be a little bit stiffer than this. This has got too much over here. There we go. Actually, maybe I can just do what I want to do and just say whatever. As long as it's got like those little PKs on them, I'm good. Make sure that that corner got filled because that had mica in it. That corner did. There we go. Actually, that works really well. Hopefully the peaks will stay a little bit. Yes. Nice. Okay guys, in 18 to 24 hours, I'm going to cut this. And we'll see how she did. Bye. Guess what, y'all? I can feel it coming in the air tonight. So we're going to cut this. And you know what? I forgot to do something with you guys with this soap. I'll have to show you once I cut this first bar. Again, I apologize. My grandbabies are here. So there's some stomping around upstairs. So let's see. There we go. But I forgot to put, I put the French white shimmer mica on the top of this loaf. I totally forgot to do that with you guys. You know, looks like snow. Boy, that didn't go all the way through. Did that? Oh, shoot. Whew. That did not leave a mark. Where is my white, y'all? Where's the French shimmer in my swirl? Are we seeing it yet? Oh, a little bit. Up here, some veining. I didn't use as much as I ordinarily do. That's probably why. Am I moving, you guys? I'm sorry. It probably would help to cut these if I had my glasses on. Oh, there we go. There's some better veining. Yeah, there's some better veining. There we go. Okay. Did I pour more in one loaf than the other? I don't remember. It's been a few days since I've made this. I've been trying to catch up on all my winter stuff so that way I don't have to worry about my winter soaps. I already made Mr. Blue Sky, and yes, I made it without you guys, but I did make it last year with you guys. This one I didn't make with you guys, so we have two shows on November 13th. Amanda's gonna have to come up here and do one while I do the other. And they're all like less than a mile from my house. Both of them are. So, those of you who are watching me local can always just come up and see us on November 13th at Warren, at the Woods Church in Warren. And we're going to be at Warren Mott. So I'm excited. Alright. Oh, I almost just put that on there. Without y'all. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. This is an inch. I'm going to have to plane it. Yeah, gonna have to plane it. Oh, look, there's my mica. Well, you know. Alright, let's see if this loaf is any different at all. Because I really do think I poured more in one than I did the other. Let's see. Oh, end piece. Okay. There's our end piece. Hopefully we see more than just in the middle. Oh, there's a little bit just in that first piece. Yep. Yeah, there's, I think it's kind of cool how it's almost outlining the gray. Alright guys, I'm going to cut the rest of this off camera. And you guys are so wonderful. I appreciate all of you being here. And I will see y'all later. I don't know if it's going to be next week or Tuesday, but I'll see y'all later.